This is exactly why it's important to choose a realtor and a lender that can work together. Hey guys, today I'm here with Sara Getchell with Whitecap Mortgage. She is my go-to lender. Sara, why don't you tell everybody a little bit about yourself?
Sure. So I am a local mortgage broker. I'm based in Chester County. I've lived here all my life, and it's really important to me to guide my clients from beginning to end of the mortgage process, which can be the most stressful part of buying a home.
For sure, and that's why she's my go-to, because she's super professional and very knowledgeable. So recently, Sara, we've been talking about what's happening with interest rates, and this area is still really competitive. Buyers are struggling to get offers accepted when they have multiple contingencies, and one of those things is when you have a house and you want to sell it, but you want to buy another house first. So you don't want to have that contingency that your home has to sell. So we've been talking about some ways to help people get around that, and that's one of the things I wanted to talk about today is your suggestion that you gave me.
Sure. So there's really a couple ways that you can do this if you don't want to have to come out of pocket or dip into your retirement to be able to buy your next home without selling. One way is you could get a home equity line of credit before you put your house on the market. But what I'm here today to talk about is bridge loans. So you can absolutely, as long as your debt to income ratio can withstand holding your old loan and your new loan, you can absolutely borrow from the equity of your house and use that money to buy your new house, to put for the down payment and closing costs on the new house, and do both of those loans at the same time. So you're getting the loan from your current home, you're getting the loan for your new home. We close them at the same time, and then once you sell your home, you have 6 months after to be able to sell and then pay off that bridge loan.
Right. And this is a great option that not a lot of people think about or utilize, frankly. So what would be the ideal type of person that would be able to utilize this possibility?
Sure. So if you have been in your house for, a period of time, if you have equity in your home, I would say you want to have probably about 10 to 20 at least % equity in your home to be able to utilize the bridge loan. And then you're going to buy your next home. So you would get the bridge loan to be able to take however much money you would need to put down on the next home.
What are some of the risks that are involved with that?
So it is an adjustable rate mortgage. You're paying interest only, and your first payment would be due the same time that the new mortgage is due. So let's say, for example, you close on the house in May. You're going to skip June, and your first payment will be July 1st. Same would be the case with the bridge loan. So really, in this market, there's not a whole lot of risk of not selling your home, which would be the only way that you'd have to hold on to that bridge loan, because houses are going so quickly, as you know. So really the risk is very small. You're going to have that bridge loan payment probably for a very short amount of time, if you even have to pay it at all. So the risk in this particular market is very small.
That's why it's such a good option right now. One other thing I want to mention here is that maybe even for seniors, this is an excellent option. Because they're selling their home, and some people are going into retirement communities where they need to have that money up front to hold their apartment or cottage or whatever, but they haven't sold their house yet. So is that a clientele that you work with?
Absolutely. And also, especially as we get older and, with the stress that comes with selling and buying at the same time, not only do you want, is it, you can make an offer that's not contingent on your home sale, which is a stronger offer, but the stress level of what happens when you are selling and buying at the same time, you're taking away half of that stress by not having to sell your home, by using that equity, getting that loan for a very short period of time, and focusing on purchasing your new home, which is the exciting part. And then once you're settled and in your new home, then you can worry about selling and alleviating that other debt.
This is exactly why it's important to choose a realtor and a lender that can work together, because Sara and I are going to talk about each person's unique situation and the best solution for them. So hopefully this was helpful to you. If you have any questions, you can DM me or Sara. We'll add the information on how to contact Sara here. But please share, like, and send this to somebody who might need to know. Have a great day.